Hi dear viewers, you are on my YouTube channel Professor for You. Thanks for subscribing my channel, liking and sharing my videos. Today we have another short video on very important thesis, that is change your bad habits to change your future. As we know, there are three types of interval of times like present, past and future. We do not have any authority to change our past. It is out of our control and we can't do anything with our past. Other two time spans like future and present having influence by our habits. If you analyze your past, have a diary, write down your losses, lacks and achievements which you face in past. Settle the rules and principles by analyzing the past. Finalize the rules and principles and apply these in your life. Then you can change your present and get better achievements and opportunities in future. This is the first way for changing your life and betterment of your future. The other way to change your future, which is more beneficial, more important and also more easier to do, that is change your bad habits which leads to change your future. You should prepare a list of habits by categorizing them in following ways like time losing habits, money losing habits, respect losing habits those detract you, habits those destroy you, habits those destroy your relationship, habits those destroy your relationships, habits those destroy your strength, habits those destroy your ideas and habits those destroy your personality. Please work on these habits and remove these from your life. When we clean up our house, our room or our office and put away all molik in dustbin, same like that, clean up your habits and remove these bad habits from your life which may cause harm to you. So you should feel betterment in your present life and it will influence more in your ideal future. Having said that, you should also try to adapt good habits by observing other people's in your daily life. No need any treatment for adoption of good habits, but only you observe people in daily life and adopt their good and beneficial habits. Observing their way of meeting with others, observing their way of putting regards to others, observe their way of returning anything back to others, observing their way of kindness with others, and try to adopt all these good habits in your life. All these habits should cause the betterment of your future and also polish your personality differentiate yourself from others. It will also civilize yourself and other people get inspiration from you. You should get dominant position among your family members, among your friends and your colleagues also. As you update your system, your car, your house, your cell phone and so many other daily using items. Same like that, you should also update yourself, your dress, your way of talking, your habits, your behavior. It will help you for having competition with the world. Otherwise, you should lose the power to compete others and the world will crunch you. That's all. May Allah help you in any field of your life for betterment future. Thanks.